Hi everybody, this is Dave from Fantasy Breaks. I am going to be opening now a 2014 Rookie and Stars Longevity Football box. This is my first posted break on YouTube, so I am starting with something pretty inexpensive to give it a test, and hopefully if anyone wants to comment on the break, I would appreciate it so that I could take your feedback and work on, doing these breaks better as I go forward. Anyway, I got this case from blowoutcards.com. This box has 10 packs with 5 cards per pack, and you are guaranteed 4 hits. Typically, it's 3 jerseys and an autograph. So let's give it a shot. I did open up some more of this earlier, but again, wanted to start out with something pretty easy to begin with the break. So we'll take the packs out here. There's 5 on that side and 5 on that side. Usually you get 2 hits per side. Pack 1, Victor Cruz, base, Matt Schaub, base, Teddy Bridgewater, ruby red, base. The rubies come per pack, usually 1 per pack if there's not a hit. Coney Ealy, base, and a Jeremy Hill base, and an old Kid Reporter card. Pack 2. Got a Arian Foster base, a Geno Smith base, and our first hit, a Jason Verrett autograph for the San Diego Chargers, numbered 6 out of 25. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. 6 out of 25, Jason Verrett blue. Jackson Jeffcoat rookie base, and a Dante Moncrief rookie base. There are also 2 rookies in every pack. Pack number 3. Hakeem Nicks, Phillip Rivers, a red Ben Tate, Devontae Adams rookie, Chris Borland rookie. Pack number 4. This one's kind of thick, so it should be a jersey card. Josh Gordon base, CJ Spiller base, a jersey card of freshman orientation, Cody Latimer. And I just sold something on eBay, so my phone is going off. Bruce Ellington rookie, and a Michael Sam rookie. Last pack from that side of the stack. AJ Green base, Brandon Marshall base, Sean Green base, and the rookies are Lewis Nix and Khalil Mack for the Raiders. All right, second 5 packs. Start off Le'Veon Bell base, Darrelle Revis base, Shane Scov, red ruby parallel rookie, Jason Verrett rookie, and a Jace Amaro rookie card. You can tell right now I've got to get rid of the glare in here, especially with these kind of foil type cards. Andrew Luck base, Doug Martin base. Our next hit, Jadeveon Clowney, freshman orientation jersey. Devonta Freeman rookie, and Darquez Denard rookie. All right, pack number 8. Got a Julius Thomas base, Robert Woods base, a ruby red Demaryius Thomas, Charles Sims base, rookie, and a Brett Smith rookie. This is the other hit because I can feel that stick, so we'll leave that one for last. Okay, pack number 9, Michael Crabtree base, Antonio Brown base, Rob Gronkowski base, Kelvin Benjamin base rookie, and a Jarvis Landry base rookie. And our last pack, which should be another hit. Andy Dalton base, Jay Cutler base, and our last hit, a Dress for Success Jimmy Garoppolo rookie jersey. Blake Bortles base rookie, and a Logan Thomas base rookie. So that's it for the box. Just to do a recap of the hits, we got Jimmy Garoppolo base jersey, a Jadeveon Clowney base jersey, Cody Latimer base jersey, freshman orientation, and our fourth hit was the Jason Verrett autograph blue parallel number to 25. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the break. If you like any of these cards, I'll be listing them on eBay under sportscard_market. And also I've got a Facebook page at Fantasy Breaks Facebook page that if you like you can join, so that I'll provide information on when my next breaks will be. Thanks.